So welcome back to the channel, everyone. My name is Alexander Howell, and today I'm going to give you guys a little reprieve from me talking. So the last three videos were parts 1, 2, and 3, which I'm going to put right here, but videos that went through our new home in Merida, Mexico. It took a little over 2 years to purchase, get the plans ready, and then construct, but it is finally done, and I am sitting here in the media room, and actually if you see lights behind me, it's because there are a few cars driving by, so sorry if that's gonna bother you. But I wanted to put this video out there because this is just going to be the actual tour, the video that I put through, no commentary from me, so just sit back, relax, and enjoy. And if you want to connect with me on any other level, all of my information is down below. Text me, email me, follow me on social media at Alexander from KC. And of course, if you do enjoy this video and stick around to the end, please feel free to like and of course subscribe to this video. And here's our home in Merida, Mexico. I hope you enjoy. So what'd you think? Personally, we have loved being in this home. We've been here for about 3 weeks. We leave in a week, and I'm honestly physically trying to figure out how I am going to leave. I don't think I'm going to be able to do it. There's going to be scratch marks on the door for them having to peel me away from this place because it is an absolute dream. So again, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hope it was nice and relaxing for you. If you did stick around long enough, please again, feel free to like and subscribe to this channel and hit that little notification bell. That's going to let you know anytime that one of these videos goes live or I live stream, in which case you can hop in, ask me any questions that you have. And of course, outside of that, I hope you enjoyed and peace.